trick or treating.
Well, you just haven't been here in a while.
Pick you up, man. Is that fucking ramen? It's gummy ramen.
Oh my god!
Guys, I got ramen.
I got pizza!
Wait! Hey, yo, Julie got a pizza!
I got a pizza!
Yo! Fucking call! Julia!